If you want to uncover hidden gems, recognize exceptional collectibles, build a collection with purpose, and enjoy the rewards of collecting for a lifetime, then HowExpert Guide to 365 Plus Collecting Tips provides a practical system to help you collect with greater knowledge, confidence, and success. With 365 plus actionable tips, this guide shows you how to discover worthwhile opportunities, evaluate authenticity and quality, navigate collecting markets, make smarter purchases, preserve valuable treasures, connect with fellow collectors, and strengthen your collection over time. Learn how to identify rarity, verify authenticity, assess condition and value, negotiate effectively, avoid costly mistakes, refine your collecting focus, protect important pieces, and make better collecting decisions. With 365 plus structured collecting tips, this book helps you uncover remarkable finds, build exceptional collections, develop expertise, and gain greater enjoyment from the collecting journey. Introduction. Learn how the collecting system works and apply it for long-term success. Chapter 1. The Collector's Mindset. Discover the habits and perspectives that support successful collecting. Chapter 2. Defining your collection. Clarify your interests, goals, and collecting direction. Chapter 3. Learning the landscape. Research collectibles, understand rarity, and gain market knowledge. Chapter 4. Finding hidden gems. Explore auctions, events, marketplaces, and overlooked opportunities. Chapter 5. Evaluating with confidence. Examine condition, authenticity, provenance, and pricing. Chapter 6. Buying smart. Compare opportunities, negotiate effectively, and avoid common pitfalls. Chapter 7. Building exceptional collections. Select stronger pieces and refine your collection strategically. Chapter 8. Protecting what matters. Preserve, store, handle, and safeguard collectibles. Chapter 9. Showcasing your treasures. Create displays that balance appreciation and protection. Chapter 10. Connecting through collecting. Build relationships and grow through collector communities. Chapter 11. Expanding opportunities. Trade, upgrade, sell, and navigate transactions confidently. Chapter 12. Collecting for a lifetime. Expand expertise, adapt to markets, and create a lasting legacy. Conclusion. Reinforce your progress and continue growing as a collector. Appendices. Access tools, resources, strategies, FAQs, and continued learning support. What makes this guide different? 365 plus tips, practical insights designed for immediate application. Collector's Journey covers the path from first acquisition to lifelong mastery. Hidden Gem Strategies helps you recognize overlooked opportunities. Curatorial Approach focuses on building meaningful, high-quality collections. Legacy Mindset emphasizes preservation, stewardship, and long-term fulfillment. Start today with HowExpert Guide to 365 plus collecting tips and take a more informed approach to collecting. Use these strategies to uncover remarkable finds, evaluate opportunities with confidence, strengthen your collection, preserve what matters, and connect with fellow enthusiasts. With consistent practice, collecting can become a lifelong source of discovery, knowledge, satisfaction, and a legacy worth sharing. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.